The holiday and shopping season, like Amazon Prime Day, means giving and receiving a lot of gifts. Sometimes, those gifts aren't the right fit, leading many to turn to online platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Poshmark, or Craigslist to sell unwanted items. But beware, scammers and cybercriminals are always on the lookout for unsuspecting victims. One common scam is the fake payment or bogus fund request. Here, a scammer poses as a buyer and sends a fake payment notification, hoping you'll send the item before noticing the payment never occurred. In some cases, they might claim to have paid twice and ask for a refund, disappearing with your money and your item. Another scam involves fake check overpayments. The scammer sends a check for more than the sale price, asking you to send the item and refund the excess amount. The check appears legitimate at first, but within a week, it will bounce, leaving you responsible for the missing funds. In the verification code scam, the scammer poses as a buyer concerned about online scams. They send a verification code, asking you to forward it back to them. This code is then used to create a new account linked to your phone number, which the scammer will use for other fraudulent activities. To protect yourself, never send anyone a verification code under any circumstances. Legitimate buyers will not need this information. Never deposit a check for more than the selling price of your item. If a buyer sends you an overpayment, it's a red flag. Finally, never accept a mobile payment from someone you don't know.
Visit Securafy.com for a free cybersecurity assessment or access our library of resources to strengthen your defenses. Stay online and secure anytime, anywhere, on any device.